Johnson, and I'm one of the students from the ACOM in the University of San Carlos. And one advocacy na kanang ganahan ko nga mahatag siya through communications is kanang the kanang proper like educating the people on kanang kinsay ang may i-vote bitaw during the elections kay like daghan kayo war like mag-war jud ang people ba nga kanang kinsay i-vote kani siya kay dili siya corrupt pero a lot of people jud kay kanang gahi ba so I just want to kanang in relation lang to France nga kanang I just want to show people transparency ba on what and how and what kanang unsay mabuhat nila for like our nation or
Okay. Follow-up question. Since you are advocating voters education, what's yung mga standards nimo in choosing candidate?
standard.
Okay. Sa pilihan, sa putaran.
I think sir nga kanang I think they should choose someone nga kanang that has a very good like kanang history ba with what they kanang did as kanang unsay position nila senators ba sila mayors ba sila and I think that really matters kay kanang ara bitaw siya makitaan kung like unsay mabuhat nila ba for the Philippines and the people.
Thank you.